The cheetah is undisputed king of speed, holding nature's land speed record for 10 million consecutive years. It reaches top speeds of 75 miles per hour. But its acceleration is what's truly impressive. It leaves most of the world's fastest supercars in its dust. The Ferrari, Lamborghini, or McLaren is no match. 0 to 60 in 3 seconds, or just 3 strides. Aerodynamics and a lightweight frame enable this astonishing acceleration. Weighing in at only 125 pounds, its muscles don't have to carry much weight, translating into acceleration instead. And the small head, flattened rib cage, and slender legs minimize air resistance. Once it reaches top speed, unique design features sustain this speed. The cheetah has an extremely flexible spine, as well as pivoting hips, and shoulder blades that are not attached to the collarbone. This allows the front and rear legs to stretch further apart when fully extended, and move closer together when the feet come under its body, increasing the cheetah's stride length to an amazing 25 feet. The cheetah moves so quickly that its feet spend more time in the air than on the ground, twice during each stride having all 4 feet off the ground at the same time. In a high-speed chase, the long muscular tail works as a stabilizing rudder. Even its feet are modified for speed. Unlike other cats, cheetah's foot pads are hard and flat, like tire treads. And their short, blunt claws do not retract completely like lions and leopards. They're designed for grip, like the cleats of a track shoe. These modifications provide the cheetah with increased traction in fast, sharp turns.